Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a square which has the corner loops. These corner loops are interlaced. This particular motif I worked with my hobby store Aran Premium Acrylic 5-ply anti-pill yarn and a 5 mm clover crochet hook. I have used two colors for the enhancement of the motif. So let's go into the video without any delay. Make an adjustable ring or a magic circle. And lock it. Chain 1, 3 single crochets into the magic ring, chain 10, now make 3 single crochets, chain 10, 3 single crochets 3 more times. Now slip stitch to the first single crochet, this is little tight. Now join color B. So you'll have 4 chain 10 spaces. Now join color B. Chain 1 and make a half double crochet in the very first SC here. Oh God, it's slipping. Sorry. So place one more half double in the same stitch. Now one half double in the next single, 2 half double crochets in the third single. So we have 3 single crochet groups. So in the first we are making 2 half doubles, in the second one half double, and in the third we are making 2 half doubles. Now chain 12. And skip the chain space, make a 2 half doubles in the very first single crochet, one. After the chains it is little dicey to work the stitches, so you have to hold and work little carefully. 1 half double in the next, 2 half double in the third single crochet. So this is a stitch repeat for every side of the round here. So at the end you will have 4 chain 12 spaces and 20 half doubles all around. Complete the stitch pattern. I shall complete and get back. At the end of this round, having chained the last chain 12, remove the hook from the chain, insert the hook from behind the first half double, and pull this chain. from front to back. Hold it and pull it. It's little dicey to, yeah. Having done that, leave this yarn and pick up the first color, and henceforth you're going to work the rounds in the color A. And you may snip off this color B4 after this round here. Yes. Now you may begin the stitch with chain 3. Chain 3 is counted as 1 double crochet, or pull up the yarn to the height of a double crochet, twist it, insert the hook into the very first half double, pick up the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first loop and behind the second and twist, yarn over, pull through 2. So the first double is done. Place one more double crochet in the same stitch. Now place one double each in each of the next 3. So this 5 half doubles is going to become 7 double crochets. Now 2 double in the last half double. So on each side you will have 7 double crochets, 2 in the first, 1 each in the next 3 and 2 in the last, and now you will chain 12 and go over to the next set of stitches. Hold this loop, yarn over and make your first 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here it is the stitch. So you should pick up the right stitch here. Because when you're working in the round in the right side, you are most likely to miss out the first stitch. Make a double. So one more double in the same stitch. One double each on each of the next 3. So this may appear to be clumsy when we are working, but once we complete it, it will be a beautiful square. So now 2 doubles in the next. So repeat. After making this first repeat, 2 doubles in the same stitch, 1 double each in each of the next 3, 2 doubles in the last, chain 12, go over to the next set of stitches. So continue the round and complete on all 4 sides. I shall also complete and get back to you. At the end of round 3, slip stitch and join to the first DC, and now place 2 double crochets in the same DC, or you may chain 3 and place a double crochet in the same stitch. So I prefer to work the standing double crochet, hence I made the standing double crochet, and 1 double crochet each on each of the next 5. And 2 doubles in the next. Oh God. Chain 12. So repeat this set of instruction up to chain 12 3 more times, slip stitch and join to the very first stitch here. So I shall complete and meet you at the point where we began our stitches for this round 4. So at the end of round 4, slip stitch and join to the very first DC or the top of the third chain of 3 chain. Now again place 2 DCs over it, or chain 3 and make a DC in the same stitch. So that counts as 2 doubles on the very first. So I am making the standing double and a double here. Now place 1 double in each of the next 7 stitches. Two DC on the last DC here. Chain 12, again continue the stitch pattern all around. So 2 DC in the first, 1 DC each on each of the next 7, 2 DC in the last. So continue. I shall complete and get back. Now, having finished this 5th round, slip stitch from front to back and drop this loop. You may put a stitch marker here. Before working the 6th round, we need to link all these chains. Okay, so pick up the first chain, the second you put it inside that and pull out, the third one inside the second and pull out. We are linking all the chains here, and the 5th one. So do this for all the other rounds too. I shall meet you once I complete my work. So we have linked all the loops, interlace them one inside the other. Now pick up the color yarn B and remove this stitch marker from the dropped loop. Join color B to this loop, pull it tight. Make a chain. Now place 1 DC on top of this DC, the very first DC. So 1 more DC in the same stitch. This round we are going to work a little differently. Chain 1, skip 1 and place a double crochet. So chain 1, skip 1, place a double crochet till you reach, you are left with 2 DCs here. Okay, I am left with 2 DCs. So now chain 1, skip 1 and place 2 double crochets here. Then place 5 half double crochets into the chain space. So before that, ensure that all are interlaced one inside the other. So 5 half doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now continue the pattern. Place 2 doubles in the very first double, and thereafter chain 1, skip 1 double, chain 1, skip 1 double till 2 doubles are left. Chain 1 and place 2 doubles in the last, and again in the cornermost chain loop, place 5 half doubles. Continue the stitch pattern all around. I shall meet you when I come to the end of this round. At the end of the round, I have slip stitch, join and fasten off, and I have hidden the yarns. So here we complete the corner chain loops linked square. So corner chain loops linked square. This is how we make the chains and then link it when we are about to finish the final round. Okay, and thereon complete the final round. Thank you friends for viewing this small video, and if you happen to be the first time viewer, or if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so. Like and share our videos too. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Bye for now. Have a great day.